mean, that's
It's
incredible that you set the intention purposefully and did the activity to get where you wanted to go. And here you
yeah,
are. How many
and
countries? You're in multiple countries with multiple
yeah,
legs, multiple teams, growing stable residual income now in the same company through thick and thin, ups and downs. And here you are.
yeah. Yeah, and it hasn't always been, like I said, we went through, my income is not what it was back in 2018, 2019, before pre-pandemic.
Mhm.
But you know what? We're still here. They're still committed people. And you know what? I just look at it as a chance to kind of rebuild and come back and all those other things that, people I think sometimes just say, well, I'll just choose something else.
Do
And
you
that's
think
okay. I accept
the landscape has changed, since post-pandemic from pre-pandemic? Do you think that the way we build business has
Yes.
changed?
Of course it has. It really has. But guess what? I think we're going back to, like you said, the olden days are back again, kind of. I think we went through between even pre-pandemic a lot with social, because of social media and everything else, influencers and affiliates. We know that that's going on a lot in our industry. I mean, I think people are trying to figure out kind of a way because everything has kind of changed.